Cool. Man, it has power. Small, smart, and seriously powerful. Meet the Fanttik Fold S1 Apex, the electric screwdriver that's redefining precision and portability. Futuristic folding design, uncompromising torque and control, long-lasting performance. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a DIY pro, or just someone who loves great tools, the Fold S1 Apex is here to elevate your work and streamline your projects. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. Ready to power up? Okay, and this is everything that comes inside of the box. This is the Fanttik Fold S1 Apex Deluxe. It comes with 20 bits. And these are the instructions, the manual, how to use it, settings and everything. And this is the electric screwdriver. Okay, it comes with 20 bits, some torque, flat, cross, and Allen wrench. Cable to charge it. And this is the screwdriver. On the bottom, in here, it has the button, turn it on. And here is the plug to charge it, USB-C connection. It has another button here on the top to adjust it like this, put it like this. It has 1, 2, 3 different settings. It has a screen, so this one is to put it in low or high, this button, low or high. This one is to put it, remove the screw or put it in. And this is the battery level, so it's fully charged. And this one is for the torque, okay? The torque you can adjust it on the top, so it's 0.5 Newton meter, the maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 is the maximum torque. For now, I'm gonna leave it in here, and it has some torque settings, so you can see what kind of torque setting you need for any different item in here. Okay. Also, it has an LED light that is great to see in dark areas or dark spaces when you are removing a screw. That's amazing. Look at that. That's cool. And to put the drill bit like that, and it will lock by itself. To remove it, just push it out and you get it. If you don't pull this one, you're not going to be able to remove it. So you have to push it like this. Okay. And this one is magnetic. That's cool. Okay. That's everything that comes inside of the box. It's time to test it. Okay, let's test the screwdriver, the Fanttik electric screwdriver. So I'm going to put it in high, here in high, and we're going to remove on the 7 torque. So let's see. Cool. Man, it has power. So now I'm gonna put it in. No, it's low. This is to put it in. Let's do it. Cool, like nothing. Let me remove the other one. Let me put it on. Remove. This one. Yeah. Wow, yes, like nothing. So now let's put it in. Amazing. It works great. So let's do one more test on this one. So we're going to remove it. I'm going to put it in high, and we're going to remove it. Let's do it. Cool. Look at that. Now let's put it in. Yeah, and it's strong. Cool. Okay, let's do one more test on this one. This one are usually very hard to remove, so let's do it. I'm gonna remove it. Cool. Man, like nothing. So let's put it in. Amazing. Compact, powerful, designed for perfection. The Fanttik Fold S1 Apex is the screwdriver reimagined. Ready to level up your toolkit? Join the revolution in precision engineering. Get yours today and experience the future of electric screwdrivers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovation at your fingertips. Okay guys, and it's time for the giveaway. We're gonna give away this camera. This is the Linkdo B620. Okay, and the rules are super simple. You have to be subscribed to this channel. You have to put a comment in this video. You have to like this video, and the winner, we're gonna announce the winner on February 1st. Okay, and this is only for the USA. Good luck guys. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye.